Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to pull the wheel off. These normally have caps over it, so on your vehicle you may have those. You're going to use a tool from the kit in the trunk. It's got like a hook on it. You put it in the center of the cap and you pull straight out. This vehicle does not have that, so we're just going to take them off. A 17mm socket and a breaker bar. Just going to break them free. This is the passenger side of the vehicle. We're using a 2-post lift to raise and lower the vehicle. At your house, you can use a jack and jack stands. All right, we're gonna take these lug studs out. Volkswagen uses lug studs or lug bolts, not lug nuts. For this one, when you get to the last one, you're gonna wanna make sure you put pressure on the wheel. Because of the lug studs, the wheel will fall. Grab the wheel. To access the front of the motor, we're going to take this panel out. We're going to start by taking these T25s out one at a time. So there's one fastener here, there's one here, one here, there's two right here, and underneath there's one right here, one here, one here, one here, there's two right here, and this one's missing one, but there's normally one right there. Next, we're going to take this intercooler pipe out. This comes off the turbo and goes to the intercooler. We're going to take these two Torx out. It's a T30 and a Ratchet. These bolts are captured so they won't pull out, so they'll just stay there. We're going to pull this intercooler pipe out. There's a little lock ring here. We're going to pull it straight out, hold it. You should be able to wiggle it right out. Now we're going to do the same up here. There's another little lock right there. Pull it up. It comes out of the way. Now we're going to reinstall our intercooler pipe. We'll make sure these clips are pushed down. On this one, you can see it's out. All you can do is push it in. Ready to push it in. Just give it a little force till it clicks. Install these two T30s. We're going to use our T30 socket and a ratchet. Snug these down. Next, we're going to install this side panel shield. Install all your T25 bolts. Now we're going to install the tire. Line up with the holes and hold it. And we'll use our 17mm socket to put our lug studs on, or lug bolts, whatever you want to call it. Now we're going to torque the lug studs to 120 Newton meters. in a star pattern. When you do it in a star pattern, it makes the wheel go flush to the brake rotor properly.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.